Hello my friends, bringing you something slightly different, and not too different because it is an unboxing, and it is shoes, and it's from Beckett Simonon, which you should know by now. I'm a big fan of theirs, but it is a little bit different style of shoe. So this is going to be their Morgen trainers. So something a little bit different. I have loved these ever since I saw them. It is full grain leather and suede with the gum sole, and even the lining is leather. So really exceptionally nice handcrafted sneakers. So something a little bit different. You know, I can't wear Oxfords and monk straps every day. You know, most days perhaps, but not quite every day. And these still come with the nice shoe bags that their dress shoes come in. Comes with a second set of laces, which is nice. And they include extra insoles, which they also do with their dress shoes. So just really nice, all the extra little touches that they include in there. It's really exceptional. And gosh, I mean, this is just a perfect design. I absolutely love the looks of this. They have these available with a white sole instead. They've got them with white and navy, white and Bordeaux, and they have a black pair as well. So lots of different styles. Absolutely should check those out. The Morgen trainers by Beckett Simonon. I think they're fantastic, and I can't wait to wear these things. I'm going to put them on right now, in fact. So I'll have some posts showing those at some point, a little casual day, so maybe on a Saturday, something like that. All right.